All right, so you know the game. We're playing Cash or Trash. We're going to show the, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 5 today, 5 different screenshots.
Let's just do 3.
What you're going to take?
3. Let's just do 3. 3.
We could do, sure.
We can do 5. 5 is going to take forever, so let's just do 3. It's killing our momentum.
All right, we'll do 3. Fine.
You pick the 3 out of the 5, buddy. You pick the 3 out of the 5. I'll just watch.
All right, sounds good. We're going to pick 3. We'll go over them. You get 10 seconds. I'll go over it. Just let you know what it says, just to, if you had like some hearing issues or something, you turn your app on and it was giving you the thing. But we want to know then, Cash or Trash. Would you take the ride? Why would you? Why wouldn't you? We're going to go each in order. So if you have any questions, let us know right now. Otherwise, we're going to get started.
My money is on Sean, so.
All right. Well, here's our first one. All right. It's $104.58. Passenger rating 5, $1.75 and the surge included for a trip that's 5 minutes, 0.6 miles away to pick up for an hour, 35 minutes, 99.2 mile trip for the total trip duration.
Trash.
All right. What would you do, Mike?
Trash.
Okay. And how come?
Too far. And then you got to consider the time to come back.
Okay.
All
right.
Yeah, unless there's a hotel stay and $100 tip, that's trash.
Okay.
You guys must be swimming in cash, bro. I don't know these people.
It depends on the time of day. Let's say it's slow time. I would say cash because I would use a destination filter to go back home.
Okay.
I would not get back home in my area if I went an hour away. That's impossible.
So it's an hour and a half trip. So even if you drive back empty, it's 3 hours for $105. Let's say on a long trip, you get an extra 20 tip, but let's not assume. That's still $30 an hour. No, not good enough.
Yeah, I guarantee you I can get a couple rides back that are well paying.
Yeah. And you guys are saying trash and Sean is saying cash. Okay. Next one.
Wouldn't be worth the risk. It's too big of a risk for me to take.
Okay. All right. Makes sense.
All right. So let's look at the next one. And this is, hold on. This is $3.31. 43 for the passenger, 5 minutes, 0.8 miles away to pick up for a total trip duration of 8 minutes or 1.9 miles.
Is this one of yours, bro?
I'll go first on this one.
Okay.
This is complete trash. Honestly, these $3.31, I don't care if it's $3 a mile or $4 a mile, it does not make a difference. This is an insult, $3.31, unless I'm doing a right challenge.
Somebody said cash. What? Okay. All right. We know what Boston Mike going to say.
Trash. What's that? $12 an hour minus expenses? About $5 an hour.
See how they think. I love our crowd. And how about you?
Almost guaranteed no tip on that one too.
Yeah.
Definite trash.
Trash.
Definite trash. Going less than a mile too, less than a mile back, I'd take it, but that's trash.
I like NT888. Yeah, it goes trash. It hurts to even see it. That's why we're down to these days. That's why that Len Sherman's article is important, because this needs to end. This garbage needs to end. But let's go next one.
All right, and the final one. We have an UberX share for $14.10 with a 4.93 rated passenger. Pickup is 6 minutes away, 1.9 miles for a total trip of 36 minutes, 19.8 mile trip. What would you do, cash or trash?
Orlando? What does it say? Oviedo. Where is this at?
It's Orlando, yeah.
Orlando? Okay. Trash. Okay. How about anybody? Start, Mike.
Trash.
Okay. So if you guys keep saying trash, how are you guys going to make money? Ricky, how about you?
You lost me at 4.3. And I'll do 4.6, 4.5. You get below 4.4.
It's a 4.93.
Oh, it was 4.3? I didn't pay attention to
4.93.
Oh, 4.9. I would probably take that trip.
Okay. Cool.
I might take into consideration the time of day and how far away I'm going, but I'd say cash on that.
Okay. And you, Sean?
It looks like the dumpster fire I saw in Los Angeles while driving this weekend overnight. Yeah, I'm being serious.
Okay. So that's trash, I'm assuming. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Should
So
be 22 or 23 minimum.
So Mike, how's it going? How's your
All right.
convalescent? Not
And
convalescent,
hold on.
shit,
Before we just put the poll to our chat in the YouTube audience. Who
Okay,
do you
please
think is going to be the winner for the chat? I'm sorry, for Cash is Trash. Put it in the chat in the poll right there, and
I vote
let
on
us
that?
know, and we'll crown our winner.
Okay.
Awesome.
So Ricky, we know. She was on last week as well. You are from North Carolina, right?
I am. I have been dealing with so much saturation lately. It's crazy. I don't
Yeah.
know if some seasonal drivers are out driving to cover some Christmas expenses or what, but
Oh.
I'm making less than half of what I normally make
Okay. Is
right
it
now.
because of oversaturation or is it because of upfront fares? Both?
Well, both.
Both.
I'm just not getting the pings that I have been getting this week and last week.
Okay. Mike,
Yeah.
you're still doing your okay. Mike has it behind the wheel. Please go watch it. He's an enterprising driver. He does Lyft. He got kicked off Uber, but he's doing rehab center pickups and drop-offs from airports. Is that still happening, Mike?
Yes, of course.
Okay, it's going well for you, I can tell. And Sean is the first timer on the show, but he's my countryman, and he's from LA, so we're definitely going to hook up and break some bread. I have a question for all three, quickly. The article. Did you guys read the article, Len Sherman's article on the Forbes?
Yep.
You did. Okay. You didn't, Ricky?
Not yet.
Okay. If they put it back up again, there are a lot of people saying it's up, but hey, I don't know.
Okay.
Read it. So for the two of you that read it, do you think there is any validity to the article? These upfront fares, has it been another rate cut for you individually?
Absolutely valid.
Absolutely valid. How about you, Sean?
100% valid. Actually, the rides have becoming so crappy lately, especially on the Uber side of things. I've been seeing an average of $20 an hour in LA, and we're talking about with surge and everything else. And my acceptance rates have dropped down to about 28% now, which they used to be at about 45%. So over a couple of weeks, I will not stoop down to $18-20 rides on average, especially during busy hours.
And is it like all hours, weekends, morning rush hour, afternoon, all hours?
It's mostly afternoon hours, and also during the non-busy hours as well. I'm noticing the trips are becoming a lot less.
Yeah. Well, I know about the game they're playing. They're playing the game lower it to the minimum levels of Prop 22 numbers, about 23, 24. That's what the algorithm is doing right now. And they're going to force people to take everything and then make guaranteed 23, 24. And that's what it's at. And that's what's coming your neighborhood, Mike.
The squeeze is ridiculous. I've been down like 3 to 4 hours average each ride. And then with Lyft pushing the priority now to even get you to accept trips lower, it's a joke. I don't know if you haven't talked about that much, but the priority when you put on priority mode, it's horrible. They don't hesitate to send you absurd rides. It's just another.
I agree.
I agree with Mike completely.
Well, okay, who's our winner, buddy?
All right, so let's see. Hold on, let me end the poll. Our winner is Sean with 37%, Mike in second with 35%, Reiki Life and 27%.
Good job, Sean.
All right.
Sean,
Very cool.
$25. Sean, email me, Sergio at RideShareGuy.com.
I forgot your email, Sergio, already.
Huh?
He just
you
said
emailed me already?
I know, I'm just kidding.
Okay. I was like, there's no fix. Now they're all going to say it's fixed, Sean. Come on.
Hey, it's up to them. They're the ones who are voting. Everybody who's watching got to vote.
Yeah.
That is very true.
Yeah. So
So-
anyway, thank you guys. Thank you for playing the game.
All right. Thanks, Mike, for coming on.
Now-
Appreciate it. Thanks,
Yeah,
Review Life.
and we'll
Thank
see
you, guys.
soon. Thank
And
you.
thanks,
Thank you
Sean.
for the support. Much appreciated.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.